Hey friends, if you encounter this error, setup incomplete because of a metered connection error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Wi-Fi in the right pane. Click on your Wi-Fi network and then you will notice something called as metered connection. If this switch is on, you will encounter this error if you're trying to update Windows and it doesn't have sufficient bandwidth, or you are trying to install an application or something. So turn this off if you have sufficient data. If you don't, then that's a different thing. You have to decide accordingly. But if you have sufficient data, then turn this off and try installing it again. If that still doesn't work, then you can restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.